Hello everyone, this is I'll show you how to save text, input value and image in Firebase. Let's start. I'm going to create the input and here I'm going to create on change. I'm going to pass event here. This is before that I'm going to create state to save the input values here. This is txt state is imported here. Okay. It's empty string. I'm going to duplicate this for one more time. This is img set img. Okay, and I'm going to copy this here. I'm going to paste that here. I'm going to pass e dot target dot value. After that, here I'm going to create an input. This is type as file. Here I'm going to create on change. Here I'm going to pass event here, and here I'm going to create one function handle upload to pass event here. I'm going to copy this function. After that I'm going to create that function. Okay, here I'm going to get event. Here I'm going to console the e dot target dot files with 0th index. Save this and to right click and inspect, go to console. Here I'm going to choose this image. Here we got file value. Okay, now I'm going to connect Firebase into this project. Okay, so firebase.google.com, get started, click that button. Okay, here click add project, give project name here text image. Okay, this is our project name and click continue. Here I'm going to disable this Google Analytics. Okay, it would take some time to load. Yeah, our project is created. Okay, click continue. Here text image project is database is created. I'm going to connect this to web, so click this. Okay, and give a nickname txt img and click register app. Install this npm install Firebase. In my case I already installed. Copy this and install this. Okay, after that I'm going to copy this and here I'm going to right click and this is txt img config.js. here I'm going to paste that. Yeah, after that click continue to console. Here our database is ready. Okay, here I'm going to remove this unwanted commands. Yeah, after that I'm going to import get storage from Firebase/storage, and I'm going to duplicate this for one more time. This is Firestore. Here this is /Firestore, this one. Okay, and yeah, this is fine. After that I'm going to copy this here const img db. Okay, or yeah, it should be the same name. It's perfect. Here I'm going to pass this app and I'm going to duplicate this for one more time. this is used to store the image, okay, and this get Firestore is used to store text data and URL, okay. Here this is TextDB, TXTDB, and here I'm going to export this IMGDB and TXTDB. Yeah, this is fine. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to import that, okay. Import, paste that. Yeah, IMGDB is imported. If I click this, control and click, navigate to this config file. Yeah, here we got value in this e.target.files. Before that, I'm going to install this npm uid. Please install it. In my case, I already installed. After that, I'm going to import that. v4. Yeah, this one. It is used to generate a random ID, UID. Okay, so here const imgs, here ref. Yeah, ref is imported here. Yeah, ref is Firebase Storage inbuilt function. Here I'm going to pass image DB, this reference, and after that I'm going to create folder inside the storage. Before that, go to Firebase, here inside build, click storage, click get started, and proceed with the production mode, click next, and done. Yeah, here storage is created. Here we are going to create one folder. Its name is imgs, okay, imgs, and I'm going to pass this v4, okay. Copy that and paste it here. After that, here you can give any folder name, okay. And here I'm going to create upload bytes. Here I'm going to pass this imgs and this e.target.files. We will get first I'm going to console this data. Yeah, imgs. First I'm going to save this and go here. Before that, go to Firebase, here rules, change this read write as false into true, then only we can read and write, okay. Yeah, here after you change, click publish, data will get saved. Yeah, I'm going to go here to refresh this page. Here I'm going to click this choose file, I'm going to choose this file. Here we got files and here we got metadata. This we got from Firebase, okay. This imgs, this one, okay. Here I'm going to use this reference, ref. So after that I'm going to use get download URL. Here I'm going to pass this data dot ref, this ref, okay. After that dot then method, here val. Here I'm going to pass, console the val. Here in this case we got URL, I think, okay. I'm going to choose this. Yeah, here we got URL, and here I'm going to refresh this file. Here folder is not created. Why? Sorry, I need to add slash here. Sorry for that. Here we need to add slash. After that, this is file name, okay. Here I'm going to delete these images. I'm going to upload again. Here I'm going to refresh this page. I'm going to choose one file. I'm going to choose this. Here we got metadata and this imgs, and here we got URL, this URL, okay. Here I'm going to click this. Yeah, here we got image URL from Firebase. Here I'm going to Firebase, and here I'm going to refresh this page. Here we got imgs folder, this folder. Okay, inside folder we got, yeah, we uploaded image. Yeah, this image we uploaded, right? Yeah, I'm going to copy this set image, and I'm going to remove this console. Instead of console, I'm going to paste this set image. Here we got image URL, Firebase. I'm going to save this, extend this image URL in Firebase database. Okay, inside storage we can store only image. When we upload image, it will return a URL. We can store that URL inside a Firebase database. Okay, here I'm going to Firebase database. Here I'm going to click create database. Here I'm going to proceed with the production mode. Click next and enable. Yeah, here Firebase database is created. Go to rules, read write is true, and click publish. Here our changes are published, and go to data. Here our Firebase database is ready to store data. Go to here. After that, I'm going to create one button, add. Okay, here one click, handle click, it's our function. After that, here first I'm going to create collection. This is used to create a reference from the Firebase database. This is values, or this is ref, val ref, where it is. This val ref. After that, this is collection. It's one of Firebase inbuilt function. It's imported here. After that, I'm going to pause. First, I need to import this text DB here. Okay, here I'm going to add this text DB, and first I'm going to pass that. After that, I'm going to create a database. This is txt data. Okay, text data. This is our Firebase database collection name. Okay, after that, I'm going to add a async here, and here await. Here I'm going to add doc. It is also a Firebase inbuilt function. It is imported here. After that, I'm going to pass this val ref and create an object. This is txt val. Inside txt val, I'm going to pass this txt. After that, img val. Okay, img URL. Inside img URL, I'm going to pass this URL. Yeah. After that, I'm going to add alert. This is data added. Successfully. Save this. Here I'm going to change this your tag style. Yeah, this is fine. After that, here I'm going to add data. Here I'm going to choose file, to choose this one, and I'm going to click add. Yeah, here data added successfully. Here I'm going to check For that I'm going to refresh this. Here txtdb data is created, I mean this collection. Okay, here our collection is created. Here this is our image URL. Okay, here our text, I mean this data, sorry, this data, and that is this, and this is our URL. Here I'm going to copy this and paste it here. Yeah, this is what uploaded image. Okay, after that I'm going to render database, I mean data from Firebase to React base. Yeah, I'm going to get data from Firebase. So here I'm going to create const. This is get data. Here this is async because it's written a promise. Here I'm going to copy this reference, paste it here. After that const data db. Here await, I'm going to add await, get docs. This is Firebase inbuilt function. It is imported here. After that I'm going to pass this data val, console this data db, to right click, inspect, go to console. Here I'm going to refresh this. Sorry, I need to call this function in use effect. Yeah, I'm going to save this file. Here we got value from Firebase. Inside queries, sorry, snapshot. Inside snapshot we have docs. We're going to use this docs. Okay, after that I'm going to create one state. Here this is datas or data. Okay, set data, sorry, use state, inside it's an empty array. I'm going to copy this here. I'm going to use this data db, I mean this. Okay, inside data db I'm going to copy this docs dot map val. Inside val I'm going to console this val. Then I'm going to give some values. Here I'm going to find this. Here I'm going to refresh this page. Yeah, here we got this value. Here inside document, here we got datas, I mean data. We are going to use this. Okay, so here I'm going to remove this console log. Yeah, here I'm going to create a bracket and object to spread this value dot datas, I mean data, this data. Okay, inside data we have value, right? This is values. Yeah, map value, these are all values, and I'm going to pass id. Okay, here I'm going to pass val dot id. I'm going to create const here. This is all data, and I'm going to copy this set data here. After that paste it here, and I'm going to pass this all data inside this, and yeah, I'm going to copy this data here. I'm going to map. After this paste that dot map here, value, inside value create a div. Yeah, here before that I'm going to console that this data. Okay, this data, and save this. Go here, Here we got value in this data. Here we got two values in this data. Okay, use effect is render again and again. We need to stop this. So here I want to add a empty object. This only render only once. And save this and I'm going to refresh this. So here we are going to map this value. Here I'm going to add a h1 tag. Here we got value in this 0th index, img and text. I'm going to copy this txt value here. Value, this is this value, and paste that. Here I'm going to save this. Here we got data. Okay, after that I'm going to create img. Here I'm going to pass src. Here I'm going to copy this value dot this img URL, and here I'm going to give height as 200 px. Width is also 200 px, and save this. Yeah, here we got image. Here I'm going to add a text, and I'm going to choose one more image to choose. Yeah, this one. I'm going to add. Here file is added in the Firebase. Here I'm going to refresh this page. Here here we got two UIDs. Here we got value inside this. Here img URL is not uploaded. Why? To add again, click. Why this image URL is empty means because here it may take some time to get URL from Firebase. That's why it's take time. Here we didn't get the recently uploaded data because get data is rendered only once. Okay, so here I'm going to remove this array means. Here I'm going to refresh again. Here we got three data because second value is empty because we are image URL is not uploaded in the Firebase. So here I'm going to add again something. Here I'm going to choose this. Here I'm going to click add. That successfully. Here this data is added in the Firebase. This is what I tried to tell in this video. I think this video will help you. Bye bye.